So what's up, guys? We got this Instant Pot, and it's from Pioneer Woman, and it's 6-quart vintage floral luxe 6-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker with advanced micro espresso. I think I said
microprocessors technology. So we are going to use it. We are going to open it today.
Yeah.
It has a booklet with the recipes and instructions,
Like cables of how
and
to.
it has the lid. And now I'm going to open it, and this will be my first time cooking something in Instant Pot.
So, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, looks like everybody learned something. Ooh. Okay, looks heavy.
And I'm going to save this.
So that we don't like.
Yeah,
lose
if we don't.
Yeah, so it has like, it has slow cooker, cake maker, rice cooker, steamer, food warmer, pressure cooker, saute pan, and cooks eggs. That's pretty good, right, Mom?
Yeah, can you come up?
Yeah, let's go.
Why did we choose this one? Because it has a very beautiful look.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the rest of them were very.
Oh!
So
Wow.
this will stay here in my kitchen, and I will show you what I'm going to. After reading, I'll show you what I'm going to cook. Okay. I had this one, and I'm going to see. I'm going to make yellow lentil, and it says 1 to 2 minutes, but I have to read a little bit more. And since we opened it,
There's some more stuff inside.
right? So there is
Steamer kind of thing.
no, it's a stand,
Kind of.
and one glass and 2
Yeah, it's
spoons.
like here on the box. It says like on the box right here. It says included accessories: soup spoon, rice paddle, rice measuring cup, glass lid, manual, recipe book, quick reference guide, steam rack. So I think that's the steam rack actually.
So now I have. So this is pretty big for my family.
Yeah, looks
I
cool
think-
too.
Let me explore a little bit more, and then we will get back here. I think
Yeah.
the vessel,
Looks cool.
sealing, venting. It's
Yeah, a
good.
lot of cool stuff, right?
Let's see.
Don't forget. Wait, and once it has a lot of cool buttons like super meat and stew, cake. You can make cake in this?
Let's see. We will. Explore.
Yeah, let's try to make some cake because we have cocoa powder, right?
No, first we will make some lentil.
Yeah, let's make food though first. That's some cool stuff like adjust, delay start, manual. Wait, delay start, keep warm. Some cool stuff, right? And the keep warm part is the best because like if you're like, oh wait, I gotta go somewhere real quick, and like, oh dang it, but I already made the food and it's gonna get cold. Just press keep warm.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
So today we are going to make a yellow lentil, and it's like a normal dal that we cook at home. So I'm going to cook. It was already hot, so it's around 1 cup of dal. I soaked it for like 10 minutes now.
Yeah. So now what we gotta do?
Some water. Just show it here. I'm going to mix water. Turmeric powder. Bless you. What happened to you?
I don't know. Maybe I'm allergic to the turmeric. I don't know.
Salt. And then hing or asafoetida, something like that. I don't know what it is. And now it's time to close it.
I got it on. wrong way. Wrong way, Mom. Can I just, here, you hold the camera. I got it. Sorry. We gotta take this out.
Wait for me.
I think it's closed.
No.
Here, I think here it has instructions.
Minutes are over now, and I let it be like that for 10 minutes so that the wow, look at the dal. Dal is ready.
Can I see? I can only. Oh, that looks.
I can mix little bit of water. Wow, but that's very cool. And now we are going to taste it with some rice and bhindi. Sure, that's amazing. So after making the dal, the food is ready. The dinner is ready with dal, some basmati rice, and bhindi ki sabji and some pakoris. And who's going to have it? It's closed.
It's your boy. I'm gonna eat this all.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Please like my videos.